these animals used to be. Just some animals who were just having some fun. When the animals were having times of their life, that their parents were captured by a clever spider. The animal knew they had to save their parents. So they decide to go on super dangerous adventures. They meet animals along the way that helps them to defeat a spider. Guys, what is this puzzle? Wait, it says you have to find a bus. Something is waiting at the next puzzle. Waiting? Waiting? Are you kidding me? Waiting? What in the world do they mean about waiting? I don't know, guys, but we have to find the buses first. Hey, there's some bugs around here. Oh, hello. Oh, we are a centipede and all these kind of things. Yeah, I'm a caliper. Turn the profile. In the whole entire world, every caterpillar knows that. Yes. Well, we're been stuck here for many years, so why? Because there's no place for us to eat. Oh. Well, it looks like things are going to get a little stressful if there's no one inside the plane. Wait a minute. There is. Room, beep, beep. Hello, guys. We inside the plane. 2 ladybugs and a butterfly. We can go find and see if we can find anything. Okay, go and do it before I have no time. Not the tree house. Wait, there's the bus next to the flamingo thing. Hello, come out of here. Get off. And the bus for what kind of reason? I don't know. You guys are definitely all in the bus. We don't. We have to all see if we can try to help you guys get inside the bus. I don't know why, but why in the bus specifically? Don't ask me. I'm not the person telling you this. It's not even the clever spider. It's some kind of random triceratops. It's very mysterious. I know, right? So, yeah. Maybe I'll fit right here. It's not really meant for us, you know. I know it's not. You have to just try. Maybe we can get myself standing and get to that. That might be a good idea for you, because you won't fit. There we go. Yeah, you can fit under here, I guess. You can can fit right here. Yep, I can. I can fit right here with my tail. Right here. We can't fit inside. Wait. Maybe we can ride on top. I never thought of that, but we can't also inside. We're not really meant for the bus. So we have to include an extra paw, an extra foot for a lion to get on. And then we'll include a space for probably you, Rhino. You can be included. Actually, no. Tiger. Since you tried to be included before, you can be included. Go. Elephant, stick inside the... Rhino, stick inside the front. An elephant, you try that too. Now we got everyone inside. It's time to go. Well, what do we do? I don't really know, honestly. Oh, we have to pack everything up and hide in the treehouse before they get us. Treehouse? Yeah, we'll take one out of the and we all hide in the door so they don't get us. Because, you know, they're trying to capture one of our friends still. And someone's looking for us. The clever spider is going to kill the animals in here. So all the animals been hiding in different places. Wait, what? Yes. He's a very mean spider. He wants us all up because it's his source of food. You are not wrong about that. If he was not a source of food, then he'll never live. So he'd take us for sources of food. That's hard to believe, but that's what he does. And probably took you guys to see his parents so he can eat your parents first. What? And then eat you guys last. So, she's preparing before he decides to eat them for dinner. We have to go drive away, guys. Bye. I'll see you guys when we get there. I wonder why we're riding this bus.